Good morning, students. Today we will continue with our same chapter, which is Adaptation in Animal. In our last video, we already discussed about this chapter, take an overall view regarding to this chapter, as well as covered both the topics, which was the first one is animals which are found in desert areas, as well as the animals which are found in polar regions. What type of habitat or as well as adaptation they have, we already discussed. As well as we discussed about the estivation process or hibernation, the animals who are just going to for a deep sleep in summer season is known as estivation, and hibernation go to sleep for a long in winter season. So both the processes already been discussed. For today, the name of our topic is aquatic animals. In our last chapter, adaptation in plants, we discussed about the aquatic plants, like aquatic animals, those animals who are found in water. Animals those are found in water are named aquatic animals. Like several examples are there, like fishes, octopus, tortoise, everything. Okay, so these animals are known as aquatic animals. Okay, but they don't have the same adaptation like the animals who are found in desert areas or polar regions. They have the different adaptation with respect to all of them. Mean by that, they breathe. They have another type of organs formed in their bodies so that they breathe or to survive in such type of atmosphere. The first adaptation is they have the different type of breathing organs. Mean by that, we have lungs for our breathing process, but they have gills. They have gills so that they breathe in water, as well as the fins or limbs are found to swim in water. So these are the second adaptation. They have the fins or limbs so that they swim easily in water, as well as their body structure of their body is quite different from us or from those animals who are found on the land. They have a streamlined body. Streamlined body mean by that they have such type of structure so that they easily move into the water. Ever you see the octopus swimming in water in anywhere, so wherever the structure of the octopus is like this, but the way they swim in water, they synchronize their body and make a streamlined body so that they easily pass out through the water. So there are three adaptations. The first one is they have the fins or limbs so that they swim, as well as they have a different type of breathing organs like gills, as well as they have the streamlined body, or the structure of their body is quite different to swim in water. Okay, so these three adaptations they have found. There are some animals who are found in water but they show different adaptation, like whales and dolphins who don't have gills to breathe. They have lungs, they have nostrils. You ever seen both of them? They comes out on the surface of the water for the breathing process and spread out some water from their nostrils like fountain. So both of them shows a different adaptation. They have lungs, not gills. Okay. Okay. After that, another topic is animals who are found on land as well as water too. What is the name of that animal found on land as well as water too? That animal is named amphibians, like frogs. Frogs have the capability, their structure, body structure is like this. They their skin is quite moist. They have the moist skin so that they breathe in water as well as they have in lungs also, so that they breathe on lands. So both the organs found in amphibians, they have the moist skin to breathe in water as well as found lungs also, so that they breathe on lands. After that, they have the strong back legs. Frogs jumps now, so they have the strong back legs. With the help of those strong legs, they easily jump. So 3 adaptations found in amphibians. The first one is they have the webbed feet to swim. They have the moist skin as well as lungs also, as well as they have the strong back legs so that they jump easily. So these 3 adaptations of those animals who found on land as well as in water also, and they are known as amphibian. Okay. And after that, our next topic is animals who are found in air. What are adaptation they have? Animals those are found on trees are known as arboreal animals. Like, what is the example of the arboreal animals? Like monkeys and birds, snakes, chameleons, spiders. All of them are just found on trees. So these animals are known as arboreal animals. Because of this, they are found on trees, so that they have a different adaptation with respect to the aquatic animals, of course. So they have some structure so that they easily survive on trees. Like they have the small bodies but strong and elongated limbs, so that they easily catch up the branches of the trees and they just jump out from one tree to another. And so that was the first adaptation they had the strong and elongated muscular limbs, so that they easily travel from one place to another. Okay. And the second adaptation, they had the clawed and sticky feet, so that they creep on branches and they don't fall down from the trees. So they had the sticky and clawed feet. As well as they have the extra structure, their tails. They have the strong tails, which is useful for the grip out or hold down the branches. As well as they jump from one place to another, so is also helpful for them. So those animals who found on trees are known as arboreal, and those animals who found on trees are known as arboreal animals. And they having different type of adaptation. They have elongated and muscular strong limbs to catch up the branches, as well as they having the clawed feet so that they grip out on the branches, as well as having a strong and long tail, which is also helpful for the transfer from one place to another, as well as the grip out to the trees. So these 3 adaptations which are found in arboreal animals. So today we have covered 3 topics. The first one is aquatic animals. The second one is amphibians who are found on land as well as water too, like frogs. And after that, animals who are found in air, arboreal animals who are found on trees and their adaptation. So these 3 topics we have covered today. And in our next video, we just switch to the next topic. Have a great day.